Like some animals don't see good at all. Like pigs don't see good at all.
Yeah.
You just freeze on a pig. They don't know what the fuck's going on.
Eagles, for sure.
Eagle?
Eagles.
Spot like little mice in the fucking
Yeah,
field.
eagles have the best probably
yeah.
sight. Yeah, they can see from miles and miles and miles.
My friend from Alaska, he goes halibut fishing all the time. He said if
Fucking
you're
love halibut.
you're pulling a fish up, an eagle can see it miles away.
That's how you know dinosaur shit is at play.
What?
Grizzly can find an elk carcass when it's underwater, and polar bears can smell a seal through 3 feet of ice.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
3 fucking feet of ice?
Christ! Oh my God!
That's insane.
3 feet of ice. That is a fucking monster.